Hello everyone. So it's already 20th of October and it's 12:43 a.m. So we have our weekly expiry today. So the next week we have monthly expiry. So things are going to be volatile, very volatile. So please be careful. And yes, so as you can see today, like even let's talk about yesterday. So yesterday, if you see that I advise my members here to go for put writing positions at 17,400 or below. Why 17,400 below? Because I clearly told you at 17,500 put writing has been done, and so market has to go above that, so that the put writers are profitable. So to be on the safer side, I told them to go for 17,400 or below. And also tomorrow, today morning, up move is expected 9:26 a.m. and good opportunity for the call buyers. So as you can see, like Nifty scored jumped here clearly and was showing strength, and you can very well see that from 17,550 to it went to 17,604, okay, or 5. So almost more than 50 points. So that's, I think, enough for an option buyer in the morning. So that's a very good trade, and yes, then you got your trade, just close and exit. And yes, so it would have crossed 16,600, because even like yesterday at 16,000 some call writers were put writers were present, and also today morning, yesterday, I should say, so 19th October, so 17,600 put writing started, okay. So it went above, but let me again show you. So you see that the preparation to go down, so here it started. So as you can see very well, the score came down here. So at 10:14, so where was 10:14? Like let's see the candle here. So this is the candle 10:30. So it was at its top level, okay. So top level. So as you can see, like 10:14. So even like this, at this candle the preparation started to take it down. So you see that I mean, if you are an option buyer also, you get the signal that yes, scores are decreasing. I mean, you can purely see that the scores are decreasing here: 31, 27, 20, 13, 7, 1, 10, 15, it's 1. Okay, so you can very well see that the preparation started to take Nifty down, so you should be careful and exit, okay. So yes, and also again, I mean, it was tried to take Nifty up, okay, so that the retail traders would get fooled, and again they would go for long. But again, you see here the score started decreasing, and finally again it went to the negative zone and got down, okay. So here we got the final signal that it's going to go down, and yes, so that's how, like I mean, from here onwards. So from here, so from 10, so here 10:15 almost, you can say. So from 10:15 a.m. the preparation started to take Nifty down, okay. And also Bank Nifty, let's see. So Bank Nifty was showing strength in the morning, but here the strength decreased even before like 10 a.m. So here 9:57 again. So you can very well see that from that 40s range it went to 30s, then 20s, then single digit. Okay, so scores are not gaining more strength. Okay, so positions are getting adjusted here. So you can very well get to know that. And yes, and finally again Bank Nifty also, the scores finally, I mean, this was a sure shot, like 11:02. It was a sure shot signal. So 11. So this is from this is 15 minutes candle. So this is 10:45 to 11 a.m. So 11:02. So this candle. So even from this candle, it was a sure shot signal that Bank Nifty is going to go down, and you can see that there was a very nice move after that. So that's how, I mean, you get the signals, and that's, I mean, even if you see the graph, so as you can see, like the scores are, so the blue one is the index and the red one is the score. So the scores here, I mean, here you can see from here the score, I mean, from here to here you can see that it's gradually decreasing. And so finally, though index was like flat almost, and finally it had to come down. And after that, as you can see here, the scores were above, but the index were down, okay. So, and finally the index pulled up and matched with the score, and again here the index was up but the score was here, so again the index came down. So that's how nicely the score works. And if you even look at Nifty's also, so you can see when there is a very huge gap created, so the gap closes. So you see that the gap again closed here. So from here onwards, you can very well see that the scores were gradually decreasing. And yes, so when there was some spike also, the score did not like move much with the spike. Like I mean, the scores were almost flat, as you can see here, though the spikes came, and then it went down. So that's how I mean, nicely the score works. So now let's talk about, yes, and another more important thing is that even to yesterday I told 17,622 would be the resistance level. So near that again it got some resistance and it came down. But again I also told you that 17,525 would be a very, very important level. And as you can see here, the last from here onwards from 1 p.m. so the last 2.5 hour move, so it all went around this level. So now you know that how nicely like we plot the levels. And yes, so now the important levels, you know that here the next level is 17,440 and 17,389. So and for Bank Nifty also this level was told yesterday 40,446. And now Bank Nifty also you can see like it went down but again came up, and finally it like it was around all around this level. So yes, that's how the levels are also very nicely working. And now let's go to the end of the day data. So the end of the day data, as you can see that futures long, yes, so it has been done, but today not in huge quantity, but yes, futures short has been done. And also there is an alarming thing, that is if you look at the option chain, so option chain, yes, put writing has been done, also call writing has been done. Okay, so the more today if you see the change, more call writing has been done, but overall you will see that more put writing has been done. But there's one thing to note is that this put buying, so this is a huge put buying that has been done today. So please be careful about that. This quantity is of put buying is like an alarming thing. So yes, the thing is that, and also the call long that we were talking about. So I mean today they have done huge call writing. So and also some of the call buying call buying. So the call buying positions, they are in the monthly option chain. Okay, and also these futures long positions that have been done, they are also for the monthly. Okay, so as I clearly showed you that yesterday when I showed you that the call buying positions that were done, so they were done in the monthly option chains at 17,500. Okay, so whatever call buying is there for this month, so this weekly expiry today, it's basically for the call writers here. So this call buying is in the monthly, so and also this futures buying is in the monthly, so they can even profit take the profit tomorrow also here by taking the index up, but they have time for this. But these put buyings are in the current expiry today, so please be careful. And yes, so this is an alarming rate. So what I would do is I would purely go with call writing positions. But if there is a huge gap down, then we have to be careful, because then if you are going for call writing, so I mean at the safe levels like 17,600 17,700, you won't get much premium, and you won't be able to you won't feel like shorting there. Okay, but here what is what XGX Nifty is currently at here 17,422. So if 17,440 breaks tomorrow, so already XGX Nifty is down. So if this breaks, then I mean 17,440 would act as a resistance, and so we can go for call short at 17,500 also, but we need to be a little careful about that. And yes, and if these put buying, so these put buyings can take the market down, but we will have to see till where. And if you see here that these put buying quantities can be like here 300 or 350. So I mean, you see the OI change here. Okay, so I mean the put buying has been done here overall. So most of it has been done at 17,500. But again, be careful, like it can happen that first index could be taken up. So there are two scenarios. First index could be taken up and it will stay up. You would see that the put writing is being done. You will also do put writing, okay? But then finally huge fall will come. So this is one scenario. The second scenario, which is most probable looking at exits Nifty, is there would be a gap down. They would be profitable with these put buyings, and then they have to decide what they want to do. So that will be decided from the new positions. But since at 17,000, if there is a gap down, then I'll go for 17,500 call shorts. Okay, so that and for Bank Nifty, just go with the levels. So if there is some gap down, so then you can go for call writing positions at 17,000. If it's below 17,000, 40,000, so you can go for call writing above 40,000 or at 40,000. But yes, if it says above 40,000, so be little bit careful, and then you can go above this level and short. Okay, 40,440, 40,300 40,434. Okay, so these are the levels that we should be working with. But with these huge put buying, so I won't be going for put shorts tomorrow. Whatever happens, like even if market goes up, my analysis totally goes wrong, but yes, I'll be on the safer side. So temporarily, if I take and suddenly market comes crashing down, so I'll be totally trapped. So I won't go with put buying. So whatever I'll do, I'll just look for call shorting opportunities, and if there is a put buying opportunity, yes, I'll be taking that. But I'll do that in the monthly option chain if I do put buying, not in the current weekly expiry tomorrow. Okay, so because I mean, if even market stays flat for 1 hour, your premium will decrease, and hugely decreases, and you will be at a very huge loss. So I mean, you would panic at the end finally. So that's why it's better not to go for put buying in the current one. And yes, our indicators are there, so whatever the signals we'll be getting, so we'll wait for that. And yeah, that's it for today. And for FIIs, you see these selling quantities are not huge, but for 3 consecutive days they haven't sold much. I think tomorrow they might sell, might not sell, but yes, they have done huge put buyings, and also XGX Nifty is also like supporting that statement. And yes, so that's it for today. And yesterday's analysis did work for you. Nifty did went above 17,600. Put writing was done at 17,500, I told you, and morning it went above 17,600. So I think one like I should get for that analysis. And yes, and also for the members, I gave you this morning call buying opportunity. So I think that also requires one like. So yes, please do like the video and share it with the people like who needs such guidance with the analysis. So thanks for watching, and if I have missed anything, do let me know in the comments, so I'll just post it. And yes, thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one, and trade safely, and have a happy expiry. So bye, good night. Sorry, not good night, those who will be watching in the morning. So bye. So all the best for expiry.